MS Dhoni going to lead CSK again? Well, could be possible because Chennai Super Kings are currently fretting over the availability of Ruturaj Gaikwad, who was hit by a Tushar Deshpande delivery in the previous match against Rajasthan Royals. Though he did not train since then, so the CSK management is yet to take a call, but he will be observed in the nets on Friday. And before they take on Delhi Capitals at Chepauk on Saturday, the final call will be taken. Well, there are still concerns over Ruturaj Gaikwad's availability after that injury, though he received a treatment on the field and then continued to bat, but the final call is yet to be taken. The management is not sure whether he can play or not, and in that case the window is very well open for MS Dhoni to come back and lead Chennai Super Kings, and CSK fans will love that if that happens, that too at Chepauk. Yes, Chennai Super Kings are going to play Delhi Capitals on Saturday, and if MS Dhoni returns as the CSK captain, the CSK fans are going to, they will be mad, they will be crazy. And speaking on that further, CSK's batting coach Mike Hussey also addressed the issue in a pre-match press conference on Friday, and what he said, I'm going to read it out. When the question about Gaikwad's availability was asked during the press conference, Hussey said, yeah, we are hoping he is going to try and have a bat today for training, and yeah, it's still a little bit sore, but it's improving every day. So we are very hopeful, very confident that he will be fine for tomorrow. That's what Mike Hussey said in the press conference. And now when CSK have very limited captaincy options, then the perfect choice I think is MS Dhoni, because the match is going to held in Chepauk. It will be a home game from CSK for CSK. There will be a massive support from the local crowd, and if CSK gets his old captain back, then good day might begin for the Chennai Super Kings, the 5-time champions, because they are already going through a very rough patch. Though they won a game, their campaign opener, but against Mumbai Indians, but after that they have hit a rough patch. They they have been losing games. They have been going through a losing streak, and one of the major reasons behind their defeats is their top order, where they have made a change this season. Usually we have seen Ruturaj opening the innings for CSK, but this season CSK have decided to go with Rachin Ravindra and Rahul Tripathi. Well, Rahul Tripathi seems to be the weak link here because he is yet to fire on all cylinders. Rahul Tripathi, a very good batter. He has shown his prowess in the previous editions for Sunrisers Hyderabad, but now coming to CSK, he is not clicking on the right time. And given that Ruturaj Gaikwad has promoted himself, he has shifted himself to number 3, though he scored a match-winning 50 against Mumbai Indians, but then he also, failed to contribute much. And if you look at Chennai Super Kings batting order, barring Shivam Dube in the middle order, their batting is very fragile, very weak. And speaking of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, we all know him as a good finisher. We have seen him, the history knows what he has done being a finisher, but that that magic is not there, because what we have seen so far in IPL 2025, and even head coach Stephen Fleming has said that he cannot bat for long hours, so he has become a situational player. If there is a limited period window, then only he goes out and strikes those big sixes, and that's I think enough for the Chennai Super Kings fans, because they are coming to the ground just to watch MS Dhoni. And in such a scenario, if MS Dhoni returns as CSK captain, well, I think they couldn't ask for more. Well, what do you think about this move? Can MS Dhoni return as CSK captain? Would you like to see him again leading CSK? Do let us know in the comment section.